Hello friends, I am Astro Pankaj Seth and welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth Just the Best. Yesterday we learnt about Moon and Ketu conjunction. Today our topic is Mars and Mercury conjunction. As we know that Mars and Mercury are enemies to each other. So Mars and Mercury conjunction is not considered good because Mars is harming the Mercury natural significant and Mercury is harming the Mars natural significant. So due to the enmity of each other, Mars and Mercury conjunction not seems good. Mercury is our mentality, our speaking ability. So whenever the Mars is associated with the Mercury, native may be argumentative in nature. He may be quarrelsome by nature. Apart from this, Mars is indicating the fast way, aggressive way. So it is good for the calculating abilities. So we can say that native may has very good logical ability, native may have some fast thinking ability, native may be always straightforward attitudes because Mercury has impact of Mars. Mars always try to straightforward. So mentality has impact on the Mars. So native may be always straightforward in attitudes. In the same way, native may be aggressive in speaking, native may be eloquent speaker. When the no other malefic influence on the Mercury, then native may be eloquent speaker. For the eloquent speaker, Mercury must be in the well placed in the charts. If not well placed, then native may have issue in speaking, or native may be quarrelsome. Mercury is our skin and Mars is a fiery element. So native may be suffering from the skin rashes issues. Natives may be suffering from the pimples or others issues due to over body heat, which is impact on the Mercury. Mars and Mercury combination is not good for the financial condition of the native. Native may be suffering from the financial crisis. As far as the classical books, native may be doing the goldsmith business. In our Nadi astrology, we have to say that Mercury is the karak of education of study, and it is associated with the Mars. So native may be study commercial subjects, native may be study chartered accountant or such type of studies. But Mars is the enemy of the Mercury, so native may be facing issues in his study. Breaks and studies may be possible. Apart from this, native may be a angry businessman because Mercury belonging to the business community, trading community, and it is associated with the Mars. So if the native is a businessman, then his attitudes is angry man. In a male charts, Mars associated with the Mercury, then natives may be flirty in nature. In a woman chart, his husband may be flirty in nature, or his husband may have affairs because Mars is a husband in woman charts and it is associated with the Mercury. So we can say that his husband may have affair or his husband may have female friends. Mars and Mercury combination is also indication that breaks in love affairs. Native and his wife may have dispute or Native may be interested in wicked women or divorced lady or widow lady. Mars is our siblings, especially younger brothers, and it is associated with the Mercury. So we can say that his siblings may be clever in nature, but Native and his siblings may have dispute or arguments. Native may have issues or legal problems with land regarding his brother. In a female chart, husband is the Mars and it is associated with the Mercury. So we can say that Native's husband may be businessman or doing any sort of commercial activities. If we want to know that in what is the status of the husband of female in a female chart, then we look the Mars, and Mars is associated with the Mercury. Mercury belongs to the community, trading community or community belonging to the business. So we can say that Native's husband may be doing any sort of commercial activities. Mars and Mercury combination is also indicating Native may be very active regarding the physical activity. Native may be sports person or he may be player. He may be good in the dancing. He may be good in the playing the footballs, other such type of activities. As far as the classical books, whenever the Mars and Mercury associated in the charts, Native may be expert in medicines or he may be a doctor. It is as far as the classical books such as the Jatak Parijata, etc. Thank you. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channels. Tomorrow my topic is Mars and Jupiter conjunction. Mars and Jupiter conjunction is considered so much good for a horoscope. Keep patience and subscribe my channel so you can get my latest videos or updates. Thank you.